Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You already have the laces and shoes. Start now by centering the lace under the tongue so both ends are equal. Thread each end from the outside into the lowest pair of eyelets. This anchors the lace and prevents twisting. Once done, pull evenly so the midpoint sits flat. Make sure to keep tension light so the next crosses feed smoothly. This initial balance sets up even loops and a neat final appearance. Now form crisscrosses. Take the left end, cross over the right, and feed it under the shoe's throat and up through the next eyelet on the right. Then mirror with the other side. You do this to distribute tension evenly across the shoe for comfort and support. Once you reach each successive eyelet pair, pull each pass snug but not tight, because too much pull distorts fit. Keep repeating until only the top pair remains. Finish by bringing both ends up and through the top eyelets from inside out, then tie the knot you prefer. A standard bow works for quick release, a double knot for extra hold. Once tied, check symmetry and comfort while standing. Adjust by loosening and pulling from the bottom pair to rebalance. If laces sit uneven or twist, recenter the midpoint and retension each cross one at a time, because correct.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.